Okay, that's my first glimpse of the Taipei 101 tower. Right there. Just coming out of the Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall station. And we're gonna walk over there and try to get a lot closer to it. That's pretty cool. Looking forward to getting over there. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay, so now we got another view of it. We also have a temple over here too. And it looks like we're kind of coming into a parking lot. So I think I'm going to try to show you a little bit of what it looks like as we come up to it. But I'm going to come up to this temple first. And then later we're going to get over to the Taipei Tower. Sorry, can you see that at nighttime? Maybe not so good, eh? But we'll get a little bit closer for you. And we'll try to see. Looks like we got the dragon there. And I think at nighttime it might not be so good. The lighting isn't that good. But we'll do our best. And I'll get closer to it so that we can see it. Looks like we're kind of... Okay, I see some security. Hope I can walk in here. Anyways, we're gonna get closer. I don't think this is really giving it much. There's a giant rabbit there. And there's a tower. Looks kind of cool in here though, but I think the lighting is not so good for the camera tonight. Okay, well, we're getting a bit closer to it. Give you a little bit of a 360. We're just kind of on the sidewalk. I guess this is City Hall Square car park, so there's a giant park here. And actually there's a lot of space. There's Grind Hyatt too. Huh, didn't even notice it. And there's our big tower. Okay, that was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking on the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.